Hey guys, Mike here. Our friends at Tetote sent us this bathroom mirror. It's backlit LED. We'll just open the box and let's see what's in it. All right. Well, obviously this is the back of it. They got hanger parts, I'm sure is what's in here. Oh, directions. And the rails to hang it. So those will just mount on the wall. It has the installation manual for it. It has the diagram so you can lay out your mounting hardware and all the things you need to mount it. That's great. That's fantastic that they include all of that. Let's take a look at the mirror. Really well packaged. That's super nice. So it's LED backlit. It's got a black frame, which will match what we're doing in the bathroom. And it's got a protective film over the mirror, so make sure that you take that off. But it's supposed to be anti-fog, backlit, all the things. So we're gonna install it. It should be a fairly simple installation. Just plug it in to an existing outlet. I may change that a little. But you plug it into an existing outlet and it should be good to go. So that's what we're gonna do next. Come back and watch the rest of this. Thanks to our friends at Tetote for sending this for our review. Hey guys, so it's time to install our Tetote bathroom mirror. It's electric, backlit, LED, and heated to help with the fog on it. So I followed the instructions. It says to essentially plug it in and test it before you mount it. So we have it here in the bathroom. We're gonna plug it in. And there it is. Your two lights come on here. You can change the color and intensity of your lights by hitting this. And then it's got the heat function for the defrost or defog or whatever it is to keep it from fogging up while you're in the shower. So turn that off. But it's backlit back here and front lit here. So everything seems to be working in order. So now what's left is to install it. So let's get that done. Hold on, we'll be right back. All right, so let's install this mirror. They've included a couple of different types of wall anchors depending on the thickness of your drywall. So since we have 1/2 inch thick drywall, we're gonna use these wall anchors. But they provide both, so you get to choose. They provide the brackets as well, which are here. And it's like a cleat bracket. You attach it to the wall like this, and then there's a place on the mirror that'll hook onto this once you put it up. So decide where you want the height of your mirror to be. We decided that across the level of the top of these wall sconces. So measure 3 3/4 inches down on your wall from the top of where you want it to be. 3 3/4. And then we're going to put a level on it to make sure that our brackets are mounted level across here. And I'm going to put a mark on the wall over here and a mark over here. Now inside the kit, you have this, so it's a mount for whatever size mirror you have. So this is, locate the left bracket here. So we're gonna put it here, and then we'll stretch across based on the width of the mirror. Ours is 28 inches, so our second bracket's gonna go here. So I'm gonna need to center these up a little bit. But that should do it. And then we'll tape it, we'll cut this off and tape it in place. I'm really just gonna tear it off. Well, I guess I'm not. I guess I'm gonna cut it off because. Okay, so what we've done is we've measured the height where we want it, and we have a level line across. Then we measured the center between the two, and we're able to mount our brackets here. So essentially we're gonna put one hole here, one here, one here, one here, and then we'll put our wall anchors through it. So we're gonna drill this stuff and get started. All right, so we're gonna drill our holes now to mount our wall anchors. Get it right in the center. And we'll drill these two. All right, so those are done. We'll take this down and out of the way. You can see where our 4 holes are. We're gonna put these wall anchors in. So for these, get your screw in it. I gotta drill bigger holes. Hold on. Okay, now we got the right size drill bit. So we'll just go back through these holes. Doesn't take a lot. Yeah, and try not to go so deep into the wall. Pay attention to how deep you go in, because it's gonna make a difference if there's something behind this sheetrock we don't know about. So now, time to mount our brackets. So we'll put these in the hole, and it requires, you want them tight, so you drill into it. Stop that. All right, so we've got our holes drilled. We're gonna put our wall anchors in. There's plenty of them in the package. Just slide them in. Then you're gonna put your bracket up there and screw it into place. So we'll start with the first one, and again, make sure that this side, you have a little crack right here. That's what you're gonna leave to hang your mirror on. So put your screw through, and we'll get it started. Line it up. And you'll feel it pull tight. There it is. And there's that one. We're going to do the same over here. Lined up. They're pretty solid. Hold on one second, we'll go get the mirror and hang it. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have our brackets up there, let me show you this. This lip right here is what you're gonna slide over the top of those brackets. So we're gonna do that now. And it's just that simple. So there's your mirror hanging, and we'll plug it in. The other thing the directions tell you is to make sure that you have the mirror installed before you remove this protective plastic off the outside of it. But essentially, there's your heated adjustable light mirror. It's backlit. Hold on one second, stay right there, let me show you this, where you can actually see it. So now, you can see that the mirror is backlit here and front lit here. You can change the temperature and turn it off. Again, fantastic. Thanks Tetote for sending this along. We love this mirror. I can't wait to actually use it. Have a great rest of your day. Hey guys, we got our Tetote mirror mounted, and you can see it's beautiful in here. It's got a nice black frame. We're changing everything over to like a matte black finish, so the faucets and all will be changed. But this is a great addition to our bathroom. It's a backlit and front lit LED mirror by Tetote, and you can adjust the colors of it and the brightness of it. And then it has the anti-fog option here that you just turn on. This will stay on. Once you turn it on, it'll stay on for an hour, and then it'll automatically shut off. And then again, you can adjust the brightness from nothing. And the backlight matches the color light of the front. See how it gives that warm look to it. But again, the Tetote electric mirror, anti-fog and backlit, frontlit LED mirror. This is a great addition to our bathroom remodel project. I hope you get one of these and love it as much as we do. Have a great rest of your day.